IRS Form 433D is the Installment Agreement form. You use it to set up a monthly payment plan for taxes you owe, typically by direct debit from your bank account. It is often used after you and the IRS have agreed on the terms to put the arrangement in writing and authorize the automatic payments. Individuals and businesses can use it. The form records who owes the tax, how much, and the monthly amount and payment date you have agreed to. Begin by identifying the taxpayer. Enter your name and address, for example, Anna Baker at 123 Main Street, Austin, TX 78701, along with your Social Security number or employer identification number, such as 987-65-4321. Add your telephone numbers so the IRS can reach you. If the balance is from a joint return, include your spouse's information as well. Accurate identifying details ensure the payments are credited to the correct account and that the agreement is tied to the right tax debt. Next, record the terms of the agreement. Enter the kinds of taxes owed, for example, Form 1040 income tax, the tax periods involved, such as 2024, and the total amount you owe. Then state the monthly payment amount and the day of the month each payment is due. If you are paying by direct debit, you also provide your bank routing and account numbers in the direct debit section so the IRS can withdraw the agreed amount automatically each month. Choose a payment you can sustain, since a missed payment can default the agreement. After completing the form, sign and date it and submit it to the IRS as directed, keeping a copy for your records. With direct debit, your payments are withdrawn automatically on the date you chose, which helps you stay current and avoid default. Interest and any penalties continue until the balance is paid in full. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.